just going to do a little flip through of my fitness and mental health planner. This is a new one. It came out pretty recently. It was a limited run by Inspira. I found it through a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Jordan Shrinks, and this was her creation. So let's just open it up and flip through it together. So it's actually freaking gorgeous. She had 3 different kinds of planners. I picked like the witchy theme. There was also tattoo theme as well, I believe, and another one I can't remember. Oh, I see. So this is actually pretty cool. It has its own little box that it comes in. It's got the little butterfly and the moon on it. It's really pretty. And then it comes with this pretty card. This is the front. It's got a nice coil here. It's pretty thick, so I feel like it should hold up quite well. This is like raised a little bit for the 2022. I just love, this is 110% my aesthetic. I feel like Jordan made it specifically for me. It's absolutely me in a nutshell, and I love it. So it's got like little bumblebees and mushrooms, acorns, and a little snail boy, and some more moths and stuff. And it's just, everything. So this is what it looks like on the inside. The belongs to page, pretty. So we are going to, I love this part. This part is really neat. We have a page for inspirations. So it says 3 people who inspire me. And then you have your list, 3 things that inspire me. And then this block here says, I feel most inspired when, and I feel most fulfilled when. And then on this side for the aspirations, 3 things I want to achieve by the end of this year, my plan of action, expected challenges, manifestation space. This is really neat. I've never had a planner suited for this before, so I'm very excited to dive in to some actual goal planning, and I need structure, so having stuff like this I think is really going to be good for me. Mental health goals, 3 mental health goals for this year, 3 things that are holding me back, actions I need to take to move forward, 3 healthy coping mechanisms I can use when feeling anxious, which is really good. I struggled a lot with my mental health last year, so I think having a page like this is going to be really good for me. This one is self-love. 3 things I love most about myself, 3 things I love about my life, 2 things I have done that I am proud of. This box here says 1 habit I want to break, and this one says 1 good habit I want to form. I was really excited about this when I snuck a peek of the planner. It's a vision board, so it has options for health, career, relationship, finances, and spiritual. And then it has 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. I've done a vision board on my channel before. I'll have the link in the description if you want to see. But I like the way this is set up. It's very different from a usual vision board, and I like that it has more achievable goals when it's broken down into segments for months. This says map your vision, so this is for that. Then we have our yearly calendar spread here. Very pretty, pink and black. 2021 in review, something that made me proud, something I can work on, a lesson I learned, something I am grateful for, and then it has spots for my January goals, and then it has a cute little habit tracker, which is exciting for me. Because I've never had one in one of my planners before. When I tried bullet journaling, I tried to make one for myself and it just didn't work out, so I'm excited for this. This is the very pretty January cover. We've got the Death Tarot card, we got a palmistry hand, planchette, a teacup with tea leaves spilling out, runes, crystals. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I love this. So it has a section for grocery lists, which I think is very cool. Notes, today's workout, foot tracker. Wow. Thanks, bud. Food tracker, it's got hydration tracking, and then it has a nice big spot for each day. And that is just the weekly setup, which I think is very interesting. It's different from what I've had before. And then once January is over, it has the January in review, something that made me proud, something I can work on, a lesson I learned, something I'm grateful for, and then it has your February goals and then your habit tracker again. So this is February's front page. We got a little cauldron. It looks like some root vegetables, looks like some ginger. Very cute. Oh, I did not notice this for January. I must have skipped it. But it has the monthly spread fully laid out for you, some notes on the side, and then body check-in. So weight, neck, bust, arm, hips, thighs, calves, body fat percentage. Same February in review sort of deal. We got March, which is green and full of mushrooms, which makes me happy because I love them. It's very pretty. April has the moon phases and the constellations, and it's a nice pretty purple color. May is very cute. It is tea, a teapot with some teacups, and then looks like herbs and things. There's a little tea bag on there. It's very cute. June looks like a tree stump with a bunch of pretty flowers around it. Ooh, July. So trypophobia warning for July. You might want to skip next couple of seconds, but it is bees. It's a honeycomb with a couple of bees and some daisies. It's that nice pretty purple that we got going on. August is crystals. Very gorgeous. Nice lilac-y color. Oh, I love this. September, it's getting into the fall themes. So we've got a pentagram wreath here made out of sticks, it looks like, with some mushrooms, a pie, some apples, acorns, and some beautiful leaves and berries. So pretty. I love this so much. Oh, October. So we have, my favorite is a kitty here, some candles, a pumpkin, of course, iconic tarot cards, and it looks like some nice more autumn foliage. Oh, November. This is so cute. It's just a little mushroom house, like a fairy house. December is another log here. It's got holly leaves and pine cones and like pine leaves on it. Very beautiful. At the end here, we have this year in review. Biggest achievements this year in this box. New habits I developed this year. You've got 6 lines you can write it in. Defining moments of this year. Lessons I learned. Goals for 2023. 2023 doesn't even sound real to me. That's just crazy. 3 goals for 2023. 2 things I can improve on in 2023. And then this box here says 1 thing I want to continue doing in 2023. 1 thing I want to change in 2023. So we have a spot for recipes, which is really cute. It's pink background. We've got room for ingredients and then the steps on the side. We have this really neat medication tracker, which I think is cool. I personally am pretty bad at remembering to take my medication, even though I have an alarm set. Okay, you got your like heart rate, some times, scales, all that cute stuff. Ooh, this one is snacks, so food and drinks. Got some birthday cakes, some beers, donuts, all that cute stuff. I love that it's the pink and purple like theme is still going with the stickers. It's very cute. Oh, we have sticker reminders. Like looks like doctor's appointments, dentist, shopping, paydays, all of that stuff. Very cute. And that is it. The back has a little like pouch. You can put little things in there. It's just a little side folder. And then this is the back of the book. I can't wait to dig in.
It took me a little bit to figure out how I wanted to set my planner up. It's a completely different style than what I'm used to working with, but I'm really happy with how I have it so far. It really has been helping to keep track of my food intake, my steps, my mental and physical health. I think it's been really great, and I can't wait to see where I go with this. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely had fun flipping it through with you. Links for Jordan and Inspira will be down below for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.